Hiya, Lady Dan here. You know, some people will only show you all of their projects when they've gone perfectly, everything looks great. It's like there was never a learning curve or never that accident that happens once in a while that makes you feel like, oh, I should have done this better. I'm all about full disclosure, so I want to let you know for people that are making scrap vinegar that once in a while, if you are not careful, you can get a problem that's going to ruin your entire product. Well, you learn more from your mistakes than you do from your successes. And this is the first time that this has happened to me, but this is mold. Unfortunately, this does mean I'm going to have to destroy this batch and start again. The development of mold can happen for a number of reasons, including cleanliness, not keeping your fruit submerged, or mold spores simply appearing in your vinegar because it is uncovered during this part of the process. This, however, is definitely mold. This looks completely different than when the mother is starting to grow, which is no salvaging this. It's just not worth the risk. Obviously, we haven't gotten to the vinegar point where the acid level is high enough to kill this. So out it goes. This was important for me to show you because I want you to see what it looks like. I want you to see that this is not the filmy texture that you're looking for as the mother, and I definitely don't want you to risk your health while you're trying to make something. So once again, this is the mother, and it can appear in sheets or as filmy strands, but this is definitely mold and needs to go out.